So here we see the fantastic successor of our award-winning ValueJet series, the ExpertJet, which comes in two models, as you can see, recognizable on the 8 cassette slots or the 4 cassette slots, single head, double head machine. Double head machine you can configure in either double CMYK for high-speed printing, or you can choose our new 7-color setup for high-quality printing, extreme high-quality printing. So compared to our previous ValueJet series, the ExpertJet offers multiple fantastic enhancements, starting with the panel, which has multi-language touchscreen, which has light indicators to help you visually show what the machine is doing, which actions he is performing. The programming inside features Dotmaster 2, which is an automatic bidirectional adjustment. A sensor on the head takes care of reading out a test pattern to do that. There is a new generation of weaving inside, which enhances the print quality of your printing mode. And apart from these, there are also some hardware changes. So the first thing is our new ink system, which comes in bags, and the bag fits in a suitcase system, mounts very easily in the printer, and has a separated smart chip, which insert in the smart chip reader. And as you can see, the smart chip reader has an indicator, a light which shows you from quite some distance away which of your inks needs replacement. Second, our new improved lever system, which can be set in multiple positions. The lever is reachable from front and from backside for loading. And if you open it completely, every pinch roller has a second unique lever, which can put the pinch roller in 3 different positions. So hard, soft, and disabled. So another hardware change would be the new loading system, making it easy to load your media in the machine. These flanges come in 2 models, one for normal torque, one for high torque. Once you mount the flanges in your media core, it is easy to place them on the supports of the machine and to load your media. The machine comes with a new generation of take-up systems, so we have the standard 30 kilogram winder, and of course we have the new enhanced 40 kilogram winder, which has a adjustable torque, adjustable speed, and also a sensor inside connected to a timeout. If the machine is idle for 10 minutes, the take-up system will switch to lowest speed automatically. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information check our website muto.eu.